Welcome back again. It is Cook with Ada here, and today we are going to be making the Nigerian moi. So this is like Nigerian bean cake. If you know, that's what it's called in English. I don't even know, but yeah, that's what it's called. But this meal we make, listen, in the back in Nigeria, we use this for either you can use it to take like oats, pap, or even like the gari thing that we have that we use. And yeah, we love it. So first off, I started off by washing off my beans. You're supposed to get the back of the beans out. I don't know how to explain this part, but yeah, that's basically what I did. I soaked it in for about 20 minutes, and then I poured it in my blender and kind of like blended it a little bit. Just try kind of like pretend like you're trying to blend it, but you're not blending it, and then the peels will kind of like come off. Then I'm going to be boiling this egg I will put inside. Then I have here my red bell peppers, my onions, that I'm going to be blending. I want to make this moi very rich. I want it to be rich, really tasty, so I'm adding all of these things to give it the taste and the color that I want in it. So I'm going to blend everything together. You can also add like 2 large tomatoes in yours, just to have more color in it. And then we are going to be using this palm oil to cook. And don't worry about the ingredients, I'm going to list everything down in the description box as always. So here I poured in the onions, so you're just going to cook that in for about like 1 minute, and then I'm going to be adding the pepper mixture to cook, and then we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. I just like cooking. I am not a professional chef, but I enjoy cooking for my family. I just enjoy cooking in general. So I just pull out recipes. I love trying out new recipes and just, playing with food. I love playing with food. I will put it that way. So that makes me cook a lot. So welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other updates. So here I added in some salt and I added in more pepper, and in this water I am going to use this cup. I actually got this cup from an African a Nigerian seller. She sells, the Nigerian, kind of like an African store. She sells everything Nigerian meals. So yeah, so now you remember the beans that we peeled up in the beginning. Yep, that one. So you're going to go ahead and pour that in the blender. Now you're going to be blending everything together. I poured that in. I'm going to also pour in the pepper mix that I just cooked. Right now I'm going to pour everything in here, and I am going to blend it all together. When you're done blending, make sure to taste for, make sure the salt is okay, make sure that everything that you put in is okay to how you want it before you start pouring it in the cup to cook. So this is what I do. I blend it up. At the end of the day, I ended up not using the other one that I wanted. I had to switch to this ones just so they can fit more on, in my pot. So I just pour them in there. You make sure you don't fill it up, because this kind of like rises up a bit, so you don't want to fill it to the brim. You just want to put it to a certain level and give room for it to rise, just like baking, but this one I'm steaming the food. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my eggs, and we're going to cook. When we put it back in, we're going to cook it for about 45 minutes, and then it should be ready. And there you have your moi. You can serve it with whatever you like. So I put them in this was so cute, so I liked it better this way in this thing. So I just put it on there and covered my pot, cooked for 45 minutes. It is ready, you guys. Look at that beauty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. You taste it to make sure that it's done, and this is what it looks like. Bye.